circle. First, draw a proper circle. Then put a point in middle of the circle and draw slanting line. Then divide the circle in this line, middle. Now draw the circle in this size. Draw again small circle in this size. Again draw a slanting line. Draw slanting line in the same slanting line. Again draw a circle in the same size, the small circle size. These circles are head of the cat. Okay, then put a point in middle of the circle and draw a sleeping line. Again draw a circle in this size, big circle size. And sleeping line. Okay. Now, next, rub the line circles inside of the lines and rub these lines also. Now, draw point middle, sleeping line, one standing line. Draw very lightly. Again, one cross line, this ear of the kittens, like V. Two lines. The same method, but this slanting circle. Draw two lines like this. Now draw a circle in this place, point in the sleeping line, middle of the line. Again two lines inside one small dot. Now put a point in middle of the bottom line, small line like this. Same method, draw again circle again dot, again small circle line, okay, over. Feet like that, no worry. Now back side. Then rub these lines, rough lines. Clear all rough lines, extra lines, unwanted. Small eyebrows. This like this shape. Then B. Really wall. Face. This place. Face. Over. kitten over. Draw a sleeping line this way. Over. Then copy the picture in your note. Give outline to the picture like this. Now I am going to shading to the picture. First, give black color to the all these lines. Then shade first black to eye. Or black color pencil. I am using black color pencil. Like black or to medium. Same like this. Then brown color on. Then brown color on the black. Like this. Carefully. Like this. Brown. Then pink color to the ear. Next I am going to shading in writing pencil, dark to medium, body of the kittens like this, dark to medium like this, dark to medium, dark to medium shading like this. Like this. The same method, dark to medium. Both sides. Shade face. Same method, dark to medium. Shading over. Next, that's in the paper or pencil with that. Shade like this to shine. Shading over. Now give dark green and light green to the light green on the shading on the dark green. Yellow to for brightness. Shade yellow for brightness and shade green color on the green color. Now yellow. Now I am shading yellow for grass brightness.